Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming your plan and power so the connection is reliable. On your phone, open the hotspot settings and set a clear SSID and strong password. This prevents accidental guests and data waste. Once done, enable the hotspot toggle and pick a secure band, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed if available. Make sure battery and data limits are visible so you can stop sharing before hitting caps. Next, you control who uses the hotspot and how much they can consume. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 and change the password so only intended users join. Once devices connect, reduce exposure by limiting the allowed number, and if your phone or router supports it, set per device data or time caps to preserve your quota. As you do this, monitor active clients in the hotspot menu so you can disconnect excess users quickly and keep performance steady. To finish, give the password only to trusted people and use private messaging to share credentials. After guests disconnect, turn the hotspot off or enable an auto timeout to prevent unintended use and battery drain. If someone cannot connect, first confirm they entered the correct password, then restart the hotspot. If that fails, toggle airplane mode or reboot your device. These simple steps clear networking glitches. Finally, check your data usage after sharing to avoid surprise overages.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.